Hey everybody, Jeff Kasmer here, and it has been a couple more weeks since we last talked here to do a video. Really excited to talk to you today. I say this almost in every video. I've got so many topics that I could record a video on, and I just need to start getting rolling because I know that I've gotten many requests to do a video on this topic, network marketing, Facebook scammers, IML, everything. But anyway, let me get some of the particulars out of the way. I'm the CEO of info.com. I am a network marketer with IMarketsLive and a Forex trader and also an affiliate of Conversion Pros. And I'm here today to talk about a little bit about IML and the word scam. And I know I've got a video or two on this. It just amazes me some of the conversations that I find online on Facebook. You could find somebody calling any home business opportunity a scam. Any home business opportunity is a scam. But hey, let me get the particulars out of the way. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, there will be a link right below this video. And also, if you want to get on board IMarketsLive as a Forex trader, I'm approaching my 1-year anniversary, and we are rocking and rolling. In fact, I'll kind of give you a quick shot of my YouTube channel. We are rocking and rolling here, up to 252 subscribers. Just yesterday it was like 200. So we are dedicated to providing the best resources and help you can for network marketing, affiliate marketing, iMarketsLive, Conversion Pros, any of the programs that I'm particularly in. I've got 18 years of experience making money online. Some years more than others, but every single year for 18 years I have made money. So not a lot of people inside a Facebook group when you're responding to an ad can say that. I can say that. So let me get right to the point of today's video. Is you've seen me on a couple other videos about Facebook scammers and people trying to scam you on any particular product or a service or anything like that. And let me be clear, they are certainly out there. I've said this in other videos. And I've also done videos where you can identify somebody as a Facebook scammer, okay? So I came across in marketing iMarketsLive a post that I posted, an ad, and the person's response kind of, and I've seen it before, and you see it on everybody's post. Anybody who doesn't have a good experience wants to call it a scam, okay? So let me be clear about this. A scam is somebody from Nigeria. Send me $1,000. You want $1 million, I'll have it deposited in your account. A scam is when somebody pretending to be somebody else on Facebook wants you to deposit a bunch of money so they can trade Forex for you, and then doesn't allow you to withdraw your money, okay? And they exist. And I want to be careful on this. They exist, and they're in every single Forex trading Facebook group. So when I post, or anybody that's associated with iMarketsLive, you have 100% security that your money is safe because you're doing the trading, okay? We teach you how to trade. And we have 2 apps that will absolutely assist you if you know nothing about Forex. So you can see right near my finger moving there. See those 2 apps at the top right there? There's the swipecoin app and the swipetrades app, okay? And we get notifications on how to make trades. And that's what IML is about, okay? See, like this. This is one of our crypto traders, and there's an entry to put in from Picasso. He is a fantastic crypto trader with IML. But anyway, so if you have no experience in IML, no experience in trading, this is how you make money right out of the gate. Not, I got to do this. Step 10, now you're ready to make some money. No, you have to learn a few basic things to get started with IML. Download the app, teach you how to put it in an entry price, what side of the bar is, set up your MetaTrader 4, which is what you use to trade, and you're ready to go, okay? So people like to use the word scam too quickly when they didn't put enough effort to make money, okay? Now, the person I'm sharing this conversation, the person is, I don't know this person, okay? In fact, this person claims to be, I guess, from the Chicago area. I have no idea, okay? But I've seen this person post a lot. She kind of identifies scammers all over the place in these Forex groups. I'm sure some of them are, okay? And she didn't call me a scammer. She called the company a scammer, and that's what kind of made me respond. So let me get out of this and show you where we're at here. Okay, so I posted an ad, okay? How about I give you a free Forex trading strategy? Crush it. There's a link, okay? This is a link that will give you a strategy to trade Forex, and I'm going to click on the link because I want you to see it, okay? And it's an opt-in page, right? You're going to see a video here on a strategy. You're going to enter in a couple steps to get some information, collect an email. Pretty simple. Pretty simple stuff for anybody who's an affiliate marketing, network marketing. It's kind of a landing page. And you just don't send somebody to the IMarketsLive my link. You just don't do that and say, sign up. That's not the way affiliate and network marketing works. So anyway, all this stuff obviously is accurate. 12-year-olds can do it. It's copy and paste. Pretty standard stuff, okay? This person is actually a person of our group. We have the #1 group on the team. This person actually quit her job just by trading, okay? And so that's the ad, okay? And I post a few ads every day. Some I test, some are good, some are okay, some are great. But I like the affiliate and the network marketing component where I can help people. This is why I do it, okay? If you just want to trade and make a ton, you can. Simple as that. I trade every day, okay? But I like helping people and finding a company for people when they are looking for ways to make money, okay? So here's the ad. So anyway, let's go right to the conversation, okay? So she says, folks, this is IML. And I respond, it sure is, right? Open and honesty. Now, what gets her is obviously I should have posted somewhere in here, this is IML, please sign up. Well, that's not the way this works. That's not the way network marketing works, okay? So I think she is in the Forex industry, binary options and all that, and she's probably very good at what she does. No question about it at all. However, to jump on it is what this line did. Don't be shady and deceptive, okay? There is nothing shady and deceptive. This teaches you a strategy if you hit this link, right? Our team teaches you a strategy to trade, so we're giving something of value, giving something you can learn from, whether you join IML or not. No experience necessary, okay? Let me show you why. No experience necessary. You can start trading Forex with those apps, right? Just a couple of things you need to learn. You don't even need to learn anything about trending and Bollinger Bands. You put in the trade, you put in some numbers, and you can start making money without even understanding it, okay? So, sorry, let me get back to this. So it's not shady and deceptive, okay? So my response is absolutely incorrect. There isn't anything shady. We do offer free strategy. This is called marketing. Part of marketing, not just posting an ad that says, I am with the, basically kind of what I said, okay? So, and I, of course, want people to see, I want people to see this. I could just delete the ad and no big deal, but I think I'm here to educate people too. 18 years, okay? One of the best companies I've ever been with. So anyway, really, show me where Progression doesn't advertise their name and company, or McDonald's or Kia or any other non-shady business. I'll wait. Interesting how these large companies clearly market their company name, but according to you, they don't know marketing. Okay, here's what she's missing, okay? This is affiliate marketing and network marketing. I would have no problem advertising McDonald's if you're going to give me an affiliate link, and if somebody orders online and they order a quarter pounder and it's delivered through like Uber Eats, and I get a commission. So that's the part she's not getting, okay? So I said, you can't compare McDonald's marketing a cheeseburger with an internet business other than Amazon. I said, good luck to you, okay? So being upfront and forthcoming has no barriers. Being deceptive and shady, regardless of industry, is just that, deceptive and shady. So, you know, she's got to draw the line the same, okay? She doesn't understand that, okay? So this is my last big response. We'll agree to disagree. It's called a funnel, and that's what it is. You go step by step. It's trying to see if this business or opportunity is right for you. My link takes people to a strategy and more tools that they desire, but it gives them information to make a decision. You're posting another thread about IML Scammer, because I did post another group and posted the same ad, and her response was, watch out for those IML scammers, which is ludicrous. It's ridiculous. And I try to explain, a scam is someone or company steals your money. IML doesn't do that, my friend. They teach you how to trade and have a network marketing component to the business. It's only a scam if you open your arms, expect to do no work, and a boatload of money drops from the sky. It requires work just like whatever you do does as well. The reason for a funnel is because it's an MLM. Okay, first of all, it's not an MLM. Okay? It's not an MLM. It's ridiculous. Okay? Multi-level marketing is only an issue or a crime or a Ponzi scheme if you're not offering something as a valuable product or service. Okay? I refer somebody in, just like somebody referred me in, they get a commission. And by the way, it's not really that big of a commission. Okay? I've been with tons of other companies that make big-time commissions on referring one person. I do it because I love the company, I'm trading with the company, and I like helping people. Okay? So, first, it's not even close to an MLM. They've been in business 5 years now. Okay? 5 years. Okay? So there's plenty of MLMs. They eventually all get shut down. Okay? Where you don't offer a product. The basis of the business is trying to get somebody under you and create this triangle of people under you, and you get all these commissions. No. The network marketing component does reward getting people on your team. It does reward expanding your network to getting people who are doing what I'm doing. There's no question about it, okay? But the purpose of the business is teaching and trading Forex and fantastic resources. So anyway, let me get back to what I was talking about. Anyway, and you can't read well, plus they're guessing incorrectly, not sure, know well more than you presume. Okay, so I don't know. So I quickly went to her profile, okay? And Texas, lives in Texas, from St. Louis. Yeah, I thought it was Chicago. One post, 2012. Okay, and now, most of the time I would just say, okay, then I'm not sure about this person. Okay, nothing. So anyway, maybe a trader. They have nothing on here. Okay, so I've never heard of Cibolo, Texas, but I believe it exists. I'm sure it's a legitimate person. And she definitely points out a lot of other Forex people that are trying to trade or trying to get you to put their money in their account and they trade for them. Okay? So you have to be careful of those people. And that's the reason IML is so wonderful. Okay? It's a big company. It's been around 5 years. They ensure your success. Our specific team is, once you get on board, and I can get you inside our group. Okay? I'm going to have a link right below this video. And you can get on board and see exactly the strategy that I was showing from our team. And then if you want to get inside our group, which is prospective customers and our team, just reach out to me. Any form you can reach out to me, Facebook, YouTube, doesn't matter. And I'll get you inside the group. Take a look around. Look at all the videos. Hundreds of videos. We actually do additional training outside of IML. That's why we're the #1 team. So if something IML has in training and you don't understand it, you go to our group and we get you the answer, okay? And bottom line is, you can start, right, without any Forex knowledge whatsoever through the now famous swipetrades app and now swipecoin app, okay? So that's it for today. Hopefully you learned something, got some value out of it, right? Value, okay? Again, subscribe to my, if you want to get on board my team or get inside our group, there's a link right below this video. If you want to subscribe to YouTube to get more information and more videos when they come out, because I have so many ideas, and of course I say that every video. And so for those people that have been emailing me and reaching out to me saying, hey, it's been 2 weeks since you did a video, my apologies. A lot more coming down the pike. Everything's going good with me. My travel schedule with the kids, because if those who follow me, they play travel baseball and travel softball. Now we're reaching the end of the summer, getting ready for school, and man, we're going to make some big things happen in the fall. Reach out to me. Let's get you started. Take care.